Welcome to your PC, Yash.
If you also wish to customize your PC and let your PC welcome you each and every time you turn it on, then make sure you watch the video till the end. In this video, I'll be giving you a small tutorial in which I'll be telling you about a 3-line code with which you can customize your PC and implement the small hack. So welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Yash and let's get started. So to begin with this trick, just open up your computer and then go to Notepad. Once you go to Notepad, you'll have to paste in these 3 lines. So I'll make sure I put the 3 lines in the description. You can just copy it there, but make sure you copy it with the capital letters and small letters respectively. So once you do that, you can see 2 double quotations here. So this is the place where you'll have to put the sentence which you want your PC to read out. So right now I'll be putting welcome to your PC, Yash. Once you do this, you'll have to save it. So right now I'll be saving it in the music folder. But make sure while saving it, you write the file name, but the extension has to be .vbs. So remember this, it should be .vbs. Once you do that, just click on save. Once you have saved, now let's verify whether the PC is reading it properly. So just double click on it.
Welcome to your PC, Yash.
So if you're satisfied with the way the PC is reading it, then go ahead, or else you can just edit it again in Notepad. So once you do that, what you will have to do is just create a shortcut. To do that, you can just right click and create shortcut here. So you can see there is a shortcut created. Then you will have to go to your start bar and type run. Once you type run, you'll have to type shell:startup. I guess you all can see this properly. Once you type this, just click on OK, and this will be the window which will appear in front of you all. So what you will have to do is go to the particular folder where you created the shortcut, copy the shortcut and just paste it in the startup folder here. So once you have done this, each and every time you turn on your PC, your computer is going to read out whatever the sentence you have written here. So the next time you want to go edit it, you don't need to go to the shell startup again and again. You all can just go to the music folder, right click, and you all can edit the file over here. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. This was a small tutorial. So I'll be bringing out more such videos, the topics I feel like to sharing it with you all. So if you like my work, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like the video. And if you found this video useful, make sure you share it with all your friends. That's all for today, guys. Thank you.